Uline steel assembly tables provide sturdy and adjustable workstations for temporary or permanent placement. Steel assembly tables are available as a standard table perfect for assembly areas or storage of heavy machinery and equipment, or a mobile table, which includes 4-inch locking swivel casters that can be used to safely transport heavy items, preventing workers from strain or injury. Uline steel assembly tables come in a range of sizes, up to 144 by 36 inches, and are constructed with heavy-duty 12-gauge steel tops. The tables can hold up to 2,000 pounds of evenly distributed weight. For mobile units, the capacity is 1,000 pounds. Sturdy 2-inch square legs are adjustable in height, from 28 to 42 inches for standard tables and 34 to 48 inches for mobile units. Legs fold for convenient storage. Assembly and setup is easy with 2 standard wrenches. Add-on units are available should you require additional workspace. Uline steel assembly tables and add-on units are in stock and ready for immediate shipment from any of our convenient locations in North America. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.